So today we're going to cover everything you need to know to make $500 a day using a simple AI tool and Realtor.com. We're going to cover why this is one of the best business models you can start and scale in your free time, and how we can use AI to do almost all the work. We're also going to cover the fastest ways to get your first customers for $0 out of pocket. And if you want, I have a free guide that covers this entire business model, so just comment guide down below and I'll send that right over to you. All right, so why is this one of the best business models to start? Well, most of the time people think you have to sell a product or a service when you want to start a business. There's some major problems with both of those. In a service-related business, you're getting paid for your time and talent. So that could be your 9-to-5 job, freelancing gigs, one-off side gigs. As soon as you're done the work, you get paid and it's over and you got to start over again at zero, no compounding revenue. And basically you have to sell based on performance. You have to convince people to buy from you. Products, yes, you can scale in a sense, but there's large upfront costs. You have monthly recurring revenue is based on repeat buyers. People have to buy, more and more the same things. You got to sell supplements or whatever. And they're going to buy based on price. So it's a race to the bottom. Usually you're commoditized and there's no real way to stand out in the market. Where the real money's at is selling systems as a service. And the reason why this works is because you're paid lump sum upfront for setup, and then you're paid monthly recurring on top of that while the system delivers month after month. And people buy based on systems proof. You don't have to convince them of anything. You can just show them the system working and it's like, do you want this? Yes. So a lot easier to sell versus trying to convince someone to buy that you're going to be good enough to do what they want. All right. So that being the case, what system are we going to sell here? So the average real estate agent misses about 6 to 8 calls a week. 85% of those people don't even leave a voicemail. So if we go into our little calculator here, say they get 12 calls a week, miss rate's 50%. So that's 6 calls missed. Say the average commission's 5,000, which is probably way more than that, more like 10. And they close only maybe 10% of those calls. If you calculate that, that's $154,000 a year that they could have gained with really conservative numbers if they simply had a system like this in place. Now, as far as setting up the AI agent, this is a voice AI receptionist that answers the calls whenever they are missed or after hours. I did a full deep dive video on how to set that up. I'll put the link for that video in the description so you can check that out. So the next question obviously is, all right, how do we find these agents? I mean, most people know real estate agents. You would obviously start there, but we cover multiple ways to get clients in our free Skool community where you don't require any cold calls, no paid ads. You don't have to make content. This is 100% free. So when you comment guide, I'll send you a link to access this as well. And one of the easiest ways you can get started after you talk to any real estate agents that you already know, simply come over here to Realtor.com. Up top, click Find an Agent. You can put in your city, say Dallas, Texas. Now, I like to sort this by most recent activity. These are going to be agents that have had recent buy or sell. They're going to have some cash on hand and probably be looking to get their next sale as quickly as possible. So you come right in here. This guy's had 18 sales in the last 12 months. Click Contact. Now, you can email them here, but the best way to do it is simply text them. You just say, hey, I have a voice AI system that can answer your calls for you. That'll help you answer missed calls after hours. Would you like me to send you a free demo link? Now, let's get into pricing. So most of the time, you can easily charge $1,500 for the setup and $497 a month. Again, thinking they're going to get $5,000 to $10,000 for one extra sale a month. That way more than covers the cost of the system. If they're a little apprehensive, you could say, hey, 30 days out, we'll set it up for free. We'll let you go ahead and try it. If it works for you, then we'll go ahead and bill the setup fee after 30 days. So that's an easy way to get them onboarded, but you really don't want to just completely waive the setup fee because that's going to be your upfront money that you need to cover the cost of the time and energy it takes to get clients. So you really should have a setup fee. But once they're on board, they're probably never going to cancel because it's going to make them a ton of money and you just keep stacking agent after agent. There's thousands and thousands of agents, so pretty much an unlimited supply. At $500 a month, it doesn't take long to get to $5,000-$10,000 a month. So like I said, comment guide down below. I'll send this over to you. You can get started for free today. See you on the next one.